Let us take a deep dive in our mail validator website. To do that, so we will have to go to the mailvalidator.octalchip.com. Once you sign in, then you will see the dashboard page. For the email validation, we have three options: single email, bulk email, and file uploads. Before starting the validation, we will have to do a sign up. Here I will create my
test account.
After pressing enter, here you can check under the menu, you see, my email is login. Now, let me go to the bulk email. Let me load some sample data. And here you see, I am on the free plan. At end of the every month, they will got the 100 credits. This one will be free plan. So this plan will never expire. Now let me do a validation. Okay, here is the analytics. So all 4 email, what is the status, what is the score, all those kind of details will be present here. That is how we can do the email validations.